Okay. Wait. Where's my brother just got home. Hey guys, ignore like this whole area. I had to like push my sheets up. Oh, so that I could put my suitcase down. Today's video is me packing for the Bahamas. It's my first cruise. Like, how do I say this? Like, well, I guess that would mean first cruise anyway, but first like trip off of the U.S. as itself. And I mean, it's part of the U.S. Do y'all? Okay. But I'm gonna show you what I'm packing. Y'all are gonna see what I'm wearing when I'm there, because I'm gonna record for sure. It's me and my mom, so it's like a mommy daughter Bahamas trip for my birthday, and kind of also for hers because she didn't really do anything. And my birthday, it was more expensive to go during my birthday, so I was like, okay, early March. My birthday is March 29th. So I have my little accessories, just some light stuff right now. I think I'm gonna start with the shoes though, because low-key that's the easiest part of packing, because the shoes I have kind of go with every outfit, but the outfits aren't really like, they're together, and I hope they look how I thought they would. I did try on some, and my boyfriend's here, but that was, he was like, it looks good, everything looks good. I love her, but if I feel like I need a girl's opinion, and I meant to call my friend, but I forgot, and the clock is kind of ticking down. But first we have these little beach slides, and I'm not even gonna lie, these cut my feet like over here, but I have some, like, it's like fabric tape, it's like tape but with fabric, so hopefully I put that on and it'll be fine. And if not, we just ain't gonna wear them, but we will take some pictures of them at least. And then I have these as my like walk around shoes, because I haven't worn them anywhere, and I hope it'll be warm enough because obviously the back's out. So yeah, that's like my walk around shoe while we're on the ship. I have these shoes for the captain's dinner. I think I'm gonna wear these. And I have a dress. I've already worn this combo, so I know it looks good. I just never took any pictures in it, and I never really got any footage in it either, so I was like, okay, we'll just wear it again. I feel like it doesn't really matter if you've worn it if nobody's ever seen it. And then we have these shoes, and I think I'm gonna wear this with my skirt and blouse, which I've also worn before, but I didn't wear these shoes. I actually wore these shoes. I'll just see which one goes better, but these shoes also go with another outfit, so we'll kind of see how that plays out. I think it's just about how I feel in the moment putting them on, really. And then I think I'm gonna bring these slippers. These are like, I need to get the purple ones too, because they're my favorite. They're so comfortable, and they're like little slips. I think y'all seen these in my Christmas one. The green ones are my Christmas one too. But I feel like these, or honestly, I might just wear these when we go. That'll probably make more sense, because they're comfortable. Like, they're just this. And then, oh, I have these too. I actually need to try these on. I don't remember if they fit. I might as well just do it now, because I don't have any shoes on. They're a little bit big. Yeah, what are these? These are 6.5, and the other ones are 6s, so it kind of makes sense. They're kind of sliding. Well, back in the box they go. I think I have enough shoes. It's only 7 days. It's like 5 or 4 out of those days were on the ship, and the other 3 days were on the island. So, because it's 3 islands, so we leave island, boat again, island, boat again, island, going back home. So this is the dress that I was talking about that I already wore for, I'm gonna wear this one for the captain's dinner. I think that's if we go, because I know it can get packed, and I think I have to sit next to other people, and I feel like, and it's like, I don't know, I feel like things be happening, but I also never been, so I feel like I should do the experience. This is the blouse and the skirt that I was talking about. I need to cut the tag off. That would go with those tan ones, which I've already worn. So those first two outfits I've already worn and they looked great. Got a new pack of socks. Obviously I have underwear. I'm not gonna show those. I have this. I've worn this before. Definitely really comfy. I probably will sleep in this or like lounge around in this. Probably won't take pictures because I already have taken pictures on this outfit. I don't know. I don't like taking pictures in the same outfit and posting them. I just feel like it's like, I don't know. I have these pants. These are definitely gonna be like jammies probably with just like a regular shirt. I definitely have to pack this better because I see it not fitting right now. We have a cover up. I don't know how it works on this ship as far as like bathing suits inside. I don't know. I have to look that up honestly. I have to get the internet package still because your girl needs to do it. My TikToks and Instagram. I don't have to do school. I should be done or have like a little break the way I'm doing my work so fast, so I have time to relax. Green bathing suit. I think I showed you guys this too in the Christmas haul because this was my Christmas present. Like all these clothes and stuff that I needed for the cruise. Yeah, this I tried this on and it felt so good and it was so cute. So honestly, I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear with this. Maybe these ones, but they're so bright. Now it's really opposite. I didn't really get shoes for them. Maybe I can find something up there, or the black heels again, honestly, or maybe just the black sandals because there is some black in there. So maybe oh, I don't ruin it. Maybe the black sandals. And then I have this dress. It's kind of like a cover up because it's definitely see-through. Look, you can literally see my neck through it. But I have black bathing suits and black shirts and stuff, so I feel like I'll make it work. This is a little black tank bodysuit. It's like a black shirt with the straps in the back that you tie up. Then I have a black skirt, and then I have, is this another black skirt? Oh, what is this? Black skirt. This is black biker shorts, so probably nighttime stuff too. I have a couple pairs of tights. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but I just want to make sure if I have a vision I can do it. I have this one-sided shirt, which I think is gonna go with the black skirt, which can in turn go with the black heels. So all the shoes basically go together. Some shorts, because I don't really know if it's gonna be cold or hot or what, but I also want to have some regular wear and not like everything be fancy, you know. But I also have this dress too. I feel like everything I'm gonna wear is gonna have a bathing suit under it because we're gonna be to the beach, we're gonna be in the water. I'm gonna be in the water. I know I'm gonna be in the water. Yeah, this is probably gonna go with the shorts. I'm just looking cute, like already. Okay, fine. And then we have, yeah, black and it's like a Hawaiian or whatever you want to call it bathing suit. Oh, that's pretty much my rundown so far. If I add more, y'all will just see it later. A lot of these outfits are like concepts. I hope they look good. I feel like I need to look up there and get some more shoes. Like, I don't know, but it's gonna be sandy too, so I'm trying to keep that in mind. Like, don't want sand on my shoes. Don't want sand on my shoes. And maybe some like jackets or something. Probably like one of those jackets over there just in case. And of course I have my hiding stuff. Deodorants, perfumes, all that stuff just waiting to go in there. The whole thing is just literally waiting to be folded and packed. But I'm very excited. I've never been. I'm also a little anxious because I'm scared I'm gonna get like seasick or something. And when I tell you, I had some of those outfits, but the rest of the outfits, like, I literally just pulled out clothes and yeah, I don't know what's happening here. I'm gonna be gone for a week. I did say that already, but I've never like been this excited for a vacation. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I can't wait for you guys to see all my outfits and me and my mommy having fun in the Bahamas. My brother is home, so y'all are gonna hear that. He literally got home like right when I started this video, and now he was quiet, loud. But I have to edit this. I have to edit the group chat trip, and then after that we're gonna be recording in the Bahamas.